Hey family, it's the Fin here. I'm back with another work from home opportunity, remote job. Yes, work from anywhere. Yes, regardless your nationality, regardless which country you are, this job is remote globally and they accept everyone. Yes, everyone can apply and I'm happy to share this opportunity with you. I know how hard it is to be home without knowing where you will find money to pay your own bill. Yes, it's really hard with this life. That's why I provide this opportunity. I encourage you to apply to this job that I post. I post job almost every day. Yes, if you are here, apply, and if you are new here, guys, I welcome you and subscribe to the channel. Yes, we have these great opportunities here and you are here to stay. I thank you so much, my returning subscribers. Yes, you are always welcome here. This is your family and we have to collaborate. Remember, we have our cash giveaway. Yes, May cash giveaway is here. You have to like your video, you have to share with your friend, you have to be a member of the family, and then you have to leave a comment in every video of the month of May and then tell your friend to come and like your video. This will help us to know that you are a winner because it will be done in transparency that, okay, you have more likes, you are a winner. Okay, so I think this is pretty much clear to everyone. If you have any question, kindly ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer. Yes, let's go into the video. I'm going to show you which kind of company, where to apply, and all those things you want to know. The company called Bears Developer, they have this opportunity, data entry specialist, who we are looking. Bear Developer is proud to be fastest growing company in America with people in 5 continents and the world-class client. We are only as strong as multicultural team at the head of our businesses. To consistently deliver high quality solution to our client, we are only hire the top 1% of the best talent and they nurture their professional growth on exciting existing project. Data entry specialist at this company, we are looking for data entry profile to join our talent. You know, the person must be proactive, talent-oriented, demonstrate excellent analytical ability as well as teamwork and multitasking skills. This excellent opportunity for professionals looking to advance their careers at one of the industry fast-growing company. Yes, what you will do: support recruiting area in identification and initial contact potential candidate for such propose new alternative to identify candidate, identify opportunities for improvement in area current process, manage the notices in the different job portal with which we work and evaluate the candidate that apply to them, identify and analyze professional profile in job portals for different search as we have open. Here is what we're looking for. They are looking for someone proactivity, ability to work in the team, paying close attention to details in daily tasks, at least 1 year. You see, it's very minimal work experience, 1 year prior work experience, and they say it's at least, advanced English level. Obviously, you will work with those Americans, you have to be at least good in English. So they say, how we do make your work or your life easier. They give you this job 100% remote and they do like hardware setup for you to work from home, flexible hours, you can make your own schedule, paid parental leave, vacation, holidays, diverse and multicultural work environment, an innovative environment with structure and source of reading, multinational, excellent compassion, well above the market average. Here you can grow at the speed of your learning curve, So our people work remotely but with the consistency or robust culture that promotes the diversity and teamwork. to continue being the lead software development company in Latin America, we want to ensure that every BR Develop member gets the best growth and professional development opportunity, welcoming and innovative environment. Yes, guys, this is a very good opportunity for you. I have prepared a resume for this special data entry specialist. Yes, one of the subscribers requested to provide a resume of this data entry specialist sample resume. I'm going to show you the important things that you can include in your resume. Yes, let me go ahead and show you the special resume that I prepared for you guys. I'm on the LinkedIn of this YouTube channel. This is the name of the LinkedIn. You can go ahead and visit and you will see those resume. And if you have a question, if you cannot access, just hit me in the comment. I will send you this link of this resume and everything. So if it's free of charge, there's no money. As always, this YouTube channel, we don't have to charge people money, guys. Yes, this is the resume. You can start with your address, as always, the objective of the resume, and just try to be clear and short. Include the name of the company in your resume. Make sure, because they don't want to see that you just took the resume from your previous application and drop them to them. So you have to include the name of the company as always, and then the education if you have education. But remember, they don't require much experience. They say at least 1 year, you know. So then experience, then skills. You can include the skills here. Microsoft Office, as always, Excel. You have to know all those skills, guys, as you can see here. And then so your language, and here there is cover letter. This is the cover letter, guys. Address as always, and then you will copy those address to that company in the link of the video. In the description box of this video, you'll see that link and access their information, and then include everything as you can see. Yes, because of time, I cannot go through everything, but I will share with you this resume, cover letter, and possible interview question for this job. You know, we don't know if they will provide you an interview or not, but we have to be prepared. Yes, this is the tips that you can consider while you are doing your application. Make sure you know all these things. Yes, because of time, I cannot go through everything I prepared for you, but I took my time and prepared everything for you. And here there is some questions, and I have answers to every question. For example, this they can tell you, can you tell us about your experience, you know, stuff like that, and you express yourself. Make sure you train yourself for the interview before you go to the interview, you know. Prepare some questions, pass through maybe this question. Tell your friends or your family member to ask you those questions and do practice. Yes, I believe you can get this job. This job is paid little less money, so I believe the position is for those who are looking for side hustle or positions like this one. And this gives us special chance for us African, Indians, South Americans, you know, all those countries where dollar has values. You know, if they give you 1,000 per month or more, it's good money, yes, wherever you are. But for example, for the Americans, for example, if you live in United States, this will not be enough for you to pay your bills. So I'm going to publish this newsletter and you will find it here, okay? I'm going to hit publish. I will take my time and fill everything here and then publish. Yes, on this website on this company, they have different position opening, and most of them, they are work from home remote job company, because this one is a remote job company, so they have many openings, guys. You can take a look, but for me, I always provide with no experience jobs. That's why I selected that job to share it with you, okay? But if you are a senior data analyst or data developer, you can apply to many job position they have here as well. So I will link the link in the description box. Make sure you see it. For example, they have this business development data analyst. They have talent data analyst, you know, But all those things, science data specialist, but this one has experience, they require experience. But for me, I selected that one with no experience. Yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, we have cash giveaway. What you gonna do? Like your video, comment, be a subscriber of this YouTube channel, and tell your friend to come and like your comment for us to see that you are a winner. Yes, so that it will be visible for everyone that you are a winner. Yes, it's only likes for these videos, and remember, it's for all video in May. Share this position with your friend. Even if you have a job, your friend need to know this, your friend need to know this channel. Yes, we have to share with our friends. If you share with your friend, sharing is love. Guys, I enjoyed to share this remote job with you, data entry specialist. I hope to see you in the next video.